Let's see what I can cook for food today. Then, you know what? There's nothing today. Maybe I'll just eat some Fruit Loops today. You know what? Cause Yoshi's not gonna be here, and I'm gonna eat some. I'm gonna eat some Fruit Loops. Oh yeah. Mario, please give me the Call of Duty. Great, Yoshi, you're sick. I was gonna eat some Fruit Loops, but you just spread my germs. Bad, bad, bad. No. Ah. Oh my God! They just land. No. Try to flip. Yoshi, you're bad. Yahoo! Well, you're bad too. Watch. Oh my back! Oh, see, Bobby! Ah! Ow! Ow! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, Yoshi, are you okay? You just cracked your bone. Oh my God! No! We gotta get you, Sonic the Hedgehog. Come on. Next, come on in. Don't be shy. I think someone broke my junk, and can you fix it, please? Well, let me see. Thank you. Now let me go. Next, come on, Mario. You're in here. Thank you. My Yoshi cracked his back, and then talk to me, Yoshi, and talk to me. Bro, my back hurts. That's why it hurts so much. Well, like, have you figured a way how to give Yoshi, like, was he trying to do a flip, or was he in a pirate ship? He cracked his back, or was he in here? He cracked his head.